In this tutorial, you will learn how to edit or delete schedule tasks in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the right sidebar of your Plesk account, click on the Schedule Tasks option. All the schedule tasks are displayed here. Click to open the task you want to edit or delete. Let's change the task type. Now specify the command to run, including the path to where the command is. Enter a description. When ready, click OK. The schedule task has been updated. Now, let's delete a task. Click the checkbox to select the task you want to delete and then, click on the Remove button and proceed. That's it, the selected task has been deleted. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.